Hi, this is Mila's Projects. I'm going to show you how to DIY your own Christmas decor. So first off, I have this mason jar decor for you. So what you're going to be needing is mason jars, some white paint, some twine, and some decorations that I picked up at Dollarama. So I went ahead and painted the mason jars white, and I painted the whole thing, and I only did one coat of paint. Here's how it looked after the first coat of paint. Then I got some craft foam and I stuck it inside so that when I stuck the decorations in, it would have a place to stick. Then I just sort of arranged all of the pine cones and rearranged it until I got to the decoration that I liked. Like I got to how I wanted it to be. So you could do the same thing. And then I took the twine and wrapped it around the mason jar, and here's the final product. So the next decor I have for you is a Christmas picture decor. You'll be needing white and black paint and this bag that I picked up from Walmart for $1.77, and I really liked the picture on it. And obviously you'll be needing a picture frame, and I picked up this one from Dollarama for about $4. I removed the cardboard backing and I also removed the glass. I painted the whole thing black, and I could have picked up a black picture frame, but they didn't have one in the bigger size. So I just picked up the biggest frame and I decided I'll just paint it black. And you could do that with anything actually. Pick up whatever size frame you want and then customize it to the color that you want. Here's how it looked once the black paint was fully dry. Then I went in with white paint, and I just put enough white paint that a little bit of the black paint will show through, just to give it that sort of rustic farmhouse look. And here's how it looked once all of the white paint was on and just streaks of black were showing through. Then I went ahead and placed the glass from the picture frame on top of the bag, measured it out with a pen, drew it out with a pen, and then I went and cut it out with some scissors. And then I assembled the whole thing together. And here's how the final product looked. The next project I have for you is the Christmas stockings and how to upgrade it. So I have some ribbon, my hot glue gun, and a sticker, like a snowflake sticker. And I went ahead and measured the ribbon to fit around the top portion of the stockings. And then I used my hot glue gun to glue everything down in place. So I got these stockings for only $1.25 at Walmart a couple years ago. From Dollarama. But I didn't like the decoration that was on it, so that's why this year I decided to keep the stockings but just add my own little touch to it. This was actually a sticker and it was sticky, but I didn't feel it was sticky enough, so that's why I used my hot glue gun, just for it to stick a little bit better. And here's the final product. here's how everything looked together. I absolutely loved it. It looked so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.